We're going to look at one of the Scratch extensions called Pen. Now the Scratch extensions, they are available using this button. So when you click on it, it opens up the different extensions available. So extensions are primarily coding blocks, but they are meant for very specific purpose. Now Pen, it's really hard to articulate how useful it is. It's only when you see the different applications of the kind of creativity, application of mathematics, and gaming which people are able to do using Pen, one realizes how sharp the tool is, and it really leaves it to you how to make the most out of it. So we are going to look at a series of tutorials and get the basic building blocks, and then you can take it from there. If you want to be amazed by the kind of work which people have done using this tool, using this extension Pen of Scratch, you can look up on Scratch some of the Pen studios. So look at this Curlicue's gallery. This is by one of the professors from France, and it's just really cool. There are the studios like 100% Pen, where it's curated a lot of different projects. So yeah, just kind of explore and get inspired.